Let's talk about the basics of your math interview project. I want you to think about these questions first. How useful is being good at math to adults? I want you to think about, what do you want to be when you grow up? What might you want to be when you grow up? What impact does being good at math have on real world living? So, we're attempting to explore this with this 9-week project. Why are we doing math? What's important about it? What's applicable about it? All those things. Okay, so here's your assignment. Basically, you're going to be interviewing someone in a career that interests you about how they use math on a regular basis. You're going to record this interview. It must be at least a 10-minute interview. There is not an easy way to do this with FaceTime. Zoom, you might be able to work it out, but FaceTime, it's hard to record. Okay, number 2, you're going to summarize the main ideas on the attached question form using the recording. I'll show you that in a minute. And then the third part of it is you're going to communicate your information either through a 5-paragraph essay, or you can do a slideshow with PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slides, or Apple's version. Okay. Apple's version is Keynote. So, that's what you're going to do. First, you're going to interview somebody. Think of somebody that's in a career that you are interested in. It's not saying you have to do that job when you grow up, but you're interested in it, okay? It could be a mom or dad. It could be aunt or uncle, grandma, grandpa. It could be a family friend. Really push yourself on this a little bit. Don't just go with the easiest route. Don't think, oh, that's the easiest person to do. Then within the next couple weeks, I want you to actually interview them. I do have a question form that I'll have you fill out. As you interview them, you'll go through these questions. You don't have to ask it word for word. I'll talk more about this in an upcoming video. But you'll record that interview, so you'll have to figure out a way. How are you going to be able to record it? Voice recording, audio recording does not have to be a face-to-face. On your computers, you do have QuickTime built in, how I'm doing it right now. Okay. Then, after you get that, you're going to fill out that, summarize what they said on that paper, and then you're going to choose. Are you going to write a 5-paragraph essay? Or are you going to do a PowerPoint, Google Slide, or Keynote? You don't have to do both. Okay? And in that 5-paragraph essay, I go through what I want you to talk about in each of those 5 paragraphs. You're summarizing some of the information you learned from them. You're not summarizing the whole interview. You're just picking and choosing parts that you want that'll go in each paragraph. Or you'll have that same information communicated on a Google Slide, a slideshow. The exact same information. So that's an overview of your project. I really want you to start thinking about and figuring out today or in the next couple of days, who do you want to interview? What career interests you?